Baking Show, we're going to be making gummy muffins out of gummy bears. The first step in making my gummy muffins is to take all of my gummy bears and sort them out into different colors. I wanted to have some gummy bear muffins or some gummy muffins that would be same colors. I didn't want any rainbows or mixes or anything like that. I wanted to have just nice clean colors. And I discovered as I was sorting them that there are a lot more than just your basic colors. There's actually quite a few colors here. And so some of them are getting mixed, and I'm going to mix them even more as I get to the melting process, which you'll see in just a moment. So in order to melt gummy bears, I'm going to use a double boiler method. So I have a pot right here with some nice warm water, and I have a double boiler pot sitting in it. And I first put in my different red type colors and start melting those down. And gummy bears melt around 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 35 degrees Celsius. So it's actually quite cool. And so I'm heating them up much more than they need to be heated. But that way I can melt them and then pour them into these muffin cups right here. So these muffin cups are silicone. So silicone muffin cups, and that way I can hopefully get them out easier than if I didn't have them in a silicone muffin cup. I did discover later that they were kind of sticky, but we'll see that in a bit. So now I'm mixing the greens, and there's two different colors of greens that I had, and I'm mixing them both together into a single green, and then pouring them also into the silicone muffin cups. There we go. And then we do the yellows and oranges, just mix them all together and get a lot of these so we can make lots and lots of gummy muffins. So melting these down does make them molten. I don't know about everyone else, but I know that when I eat more than a few gummy bears, I start to feel a little sick. So I would imagine that eating an entire gummy muffin would probably make you feel sick. But that's okay. It's all about making the muffin, not about eating it. Because, I mean, who really wants to eat it? So I'll pour these into the silicone muffin cups here. And after that, they're still kind of hard, and so I want to cool them down. So I'm putting them into an aluminum baking pan, and I'm putting them into a freezer to let them freeze. And now they're frozen, and so I've got them all out. And then I peel them out, and they come out really easily when they are solid frozen. However, soon after that, they get really, really sticky as they start to thaw. So you can see how hard I'm working on getting this green one off. It's just not coming off, but you know, that's okay. The red one I was able to get off, and you can kind of see they're really, really sticky. So here are some gummy muffins. Took a little while to make, and they look pretty actually. They're kind of nice. I don't recommend eating these, but there you go. So thank you for watching.